Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now here click on my profile and now click edit, and here you will find a display name. You can here change your name and click save, and it will be saved. That's it. That's how to change your name on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.